I want to talk to you all this morning. I was just sitting here praying and talking to God, and I looked up, and there, almost in the exact center of my view, was this tree. This is exactly where I was sitting. It's about focus, about one step at a time, one center focus. It's so complex, but yet so simple. The tree, if you notice, and I want to zoom in, is a pine tree. And at the bottom, life has sprung up, and that's an oak. I'm not going to go into specific oaks. There's also baby pine trees at the bottom. Center focus, one step at a time. Life does renew in the next generation. As I was sitting here thinking about the pine tree and the oak, my attention shifted. If you look a little closer, there's something very dangerous ahead. Do you see? Do you see? Playing under certain areas in life are dangerous. Stepping out on a limb is dangerous. Walking under a tree without knowing what's up ahead is dangerous. Look at that. Danger is ahead. But remember what I said. Center your focus.